Hello and welcome to Tooltime TV. I'm Glyn, this is my workshop, and today I'm going to do a restoration on a Snail Brand 8-inch spanner. So I'll take you over to the bench and we can make a start. So the first thing we're going to do with this Snail Brand spanner is just give it a wire brush before I soak it into some white vinegar. So we'll just get a good scrub just to get like the loose rust off. I'm just going to soak it overnight in some white vinegar. And tomorrow we'll come back at it and we'll give it a good wire wheeling and we'll go clean up. And while that's soaking, I can do a little bit of research, possibly try and find out how old it is. At a guess, probably 1950s, or maybe a bit earlier. I mean, look at how chunky that is. There's some weight in that. You just don't make spanners like that anymore. A bit of paint there or something. Catching the camera. Right, I'm just going to put this in some vinegar. I've actually got some, I've already got a spanner already soaking in some vinegar. Let me just give this a little wipe over. And that I'm doing, I'm cleaning a spanner up for another restoration that I'm doing. Oh yeah, there we have it. So this one that I've put in can come out shortly, but I'm just going to put that one in with it for now. And tomorrow we'll come back and see how it's getting on. So put it back over there. I'll do that tomorrow. Right, so we've had this spanner soaking overnight. It's double-ended spanner. I'll leave that one in there for now. We'll sort that out later. So this Snail Brand, let's get a bit of dry on there. So what I need to do with this now, more or less straight away, is give it a soak, give it a wash in some bicarbonate of soda to get the acid off, the vinegar, white vinegar off. So it stops it from still attacking the metal. So let's just go and get a bowl of warm water. So I'm just going to add a scoop of this bicarbonate of soda just to give it a clean up. I've had this wrench, this spanner, in my collection for years. So I can just manage to get round to doing all my clean-ups now, my restorations on it. So I'll have plenty more of these to come. So the Snail Brand is it's like a trademark of the marples, well, the marples that make the chisels and stuff. The Snail Brand is like a brand to do with them. So yeah, it's from Sheffield. It's a Sheffield steel, and I've actually had a look, and this spanner dates back to probably 1920s or the 1950s. So it's quite old, potentially 100 years old, or maybe, you know, a bit more. So it's well worth restoring. See how this comes up. We'll just give it a quick wash in that. We'll give it a dry off. Take it over straight over to the wire wheel. Like I said before, there's some weight in that. Proper chunky. Let's take it over to the wire wheel. Well, it's quite a large spanner this, so it's going to take a bit of time on this one. The wind out there is absolutely terrible today. Right, let's see how this comes up. Someone's initials there stamped on. BRM. What does it stand for? British made? Maybe. They come up really good, aren't they? So they've come up pretty decent. And there's no like damage around the mouth on either side. So they're in real good condition. They're great. Let's go and take it over to the Scotch wheel. Let's get a bit more of a buff on it with this. See that? Let's have a bit of wax onto the polish wheel. that, this gives it a better shine actually. It's a little bit rougher. Works better with the wax, this one actually. Wind out there, it's terrible. Look at that. Gleaming. Take you over to the bench. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a little bit of metal polish to this. And then going to add some wax over it later on, just to protect it. So what have we got here? Size 11/16, 5/8, half, 9/16. British standard steel, 8-inch. So these are collector items. These are, collector's items. Cleaned up like this. You could get around about £30 for stuff like this. Not that I would sell any of my collection. Just find out to let things go when you've been collecting for years. This is just anyway. It's a bit of metal polish. These, like I say, these are well better made than what spanners that they make today. Even better than snap-on these, I'd say. Been around, they must be at least 80 years old, at least. A little bit of a marking there, but it looks like it's been like hand punched on. I'll show you a close-up of it in a minute. So once these are cleaned up, I'm going to put this into these will go into a box. Probably won't use these because you use socket sets nowadays, don't you? But these will go into a box with me, the other tools that I've cleaned up. Like I said, there's no damage on the jaws, on the mouth of here or anything. This will just get a little bit more if there's any more grime on it. We'll just get any more of that out. So as well as polishing it up, it's an anti-corrosive protection as well. So I'll give it like a double protection. Put that on. And I'll put some other WD wax on also. Just takes a little bit for the shine to come out. Once that wax starts working under the cloth, see now, there's the initials there, you see. BRM, that looks like it's been just hand stamped. You see if someone's initials are British, stands for British made, but it must be a coincidence. Got a few more of these spanners, so we'll be restoring, cleaning up some more of these in time. Look at that, didn't really need much, did it, to bring it to this? I soak in white vinegar overnight. Wire wheel. Just Scotch wheel, bit of metal polish. I'm just going to give it some of this wax now, metal wax here. These is quite a lot. It's good stuff. If it's good enough for bikes, it's good enough for spanners. So these back in the day, like I said, would have been used for engineers. It probably was used for vehicles, obviously. Outlast any socket set that. Just a bit extra protection, just keeps the rust at bay. Because rust really does. If you don't keep on top of your tools, the rust, especially when you're leaving them in like a workshop or a garage, the rust just comes on it if you're not going to look after them. I'll just give that a light buff now. That'll keep some of that wax on it. They've come up great, haven't they? Put on the back background. Look at them. So, if you like the video, please subscribe. It does really help me build my channel. So thank you. Till next time. See you again soon.